Buenas and welcome to Three Brothers Roofing. Today we are in Gothenburg, Tucson County, New Jersey. So on this specific flat roof, we went all around. We did some reseal, and the rubber is in really good condition, so we just reseal it. And we apply flashing cement with a fiberglass membrane along the gravel stop and along the gutted. All right, and after that, now we are applying the silver coating paint over the whole flat roof. That's to prevent or to protect the rubber from all the damage from the weather. All right, but before the paint, usually we do all the small repairs that need to be done, because the silver coating will not stop any leak. The silver coating is just to protect the rubber from the weather. All right, Three Brothers Roofing, ongoing with flat roof repair and maintenance. So on this specific address, we have two houses. This is the front house, and we have another one on the rear section. And same thing as I mentioned, we sealed all the vent pipes, microwave vents, and roof vents. All right, in the meantime, we are applying or install rubber around the chimney, because this chimney is in really bad condition. So we install rubber to prevent any future damage on the chimney. Three Brothers Roofing, ongoing with the flat roof repair and maintenance. All right, and we are ongoing with our project. So right here, as we see, with the difference between the old paint and the new one. So, as I mentioned, we applying or we installing rubber around the chimney. So after we install the rubber, now we just applying the custom color paint around the chimney. Okay, so that's all. Another project completed by a Three Brothers Roofing company.